What's up, y'all? So, real quick, I just want to make a quick video. This video is going to be about the LED DRLs. This car originally did not come with it. It was just a base model bumper with the chrome trim around it. But I went ahead and added the DRLs. What I did was I just got a bumper with the DRL. Um, I guess you say DRL cutouts and everything. Everything bolts up. It's pretty much the same bumper. Nothing's different. Ordered these off, I believe, Amazon. I will leave the link in the description. No, I did not tie them into the actual headlight harness system and all that because I wanted my own individual control of them. So they came with a pretty nice wiring harness, but I did have to order some pigtails to go ahead and splice into that wires. But yeah, so I just have them running on the strip. They're pretty bright, as you can see. I'm quite satisfied with them. Because there are some kits out there, and the kits can be up to like close to $700. Of course, it'll come with the harness and all that, but yeah, I just didn't see it any point in spending that type of money on just DRLs. DRLs are like $60. The harness, the pigtails were like $10. And then the additional harness and wiring kit that I got was no more than $30. So all in all, I really think that I came out with these DRLs installed for under $100. Um, so yeah, let me show you guys how I have them wired up. So I have mine just wired to a switch. Uh, just a rocker switch. And what I did was I basically sorry, grab a light. Basically, I just took yeah, took the this little fuse panel thing out, brought it out, cut a hole for a rocker panel, and yeah, just put the rocker panel in there, and the wiring is pretty much basic. Let me pop the hood so I can show you. As far as the wiring goes, pretty simple. There's a relay box for it, and there's a ground wire. Just tied it into that ground, and the power wire straight going to the positive. And then I ran it through the there's a there's a hole, not a hole, but it's a spot where basically the harness goes to the inside of the car, and I just ran it into there. And there's part of the wire right there running to the DRLs. But yeah, that was pretty much it. Nothing crazy. It's pretty much straightforward. You really don't have to do any splicing. The only splicing and wiring up that you have to do is for the connecting the pigtails to the actual harness that comes with the DRLs. Um, like I said, I'll leave everything in the description. To do this, it's pretty easy. Anybody can do it. All you have to do is remove the front bumper, install the DRLs if you have the outlets for the DRLs, and that's pretty much it. As you see, still do have the cold air intake in there, so catch can, everything's working good. Yeah, that's it. I just want to make this quick video to show you guys. Uh, yeah, just give you guys some shots of the car. Car is on coilovers, no camber gates. So sides for the coilovers, suspension is stock, quad tip exhaust. This was an LS car, the LS model. I did go ahead and upgrade to a RS model trunk with the factory wing that comes with the RS models. I like it. I think it looks a lot better than the some of the other wings and stuff like that that you can get off eBay and whatever. I was going for more so that OEM look. But yeah, that'll be all. More to come. I do plan on going lower and probably getting different wheels. I'm gonna get a front lip, side skirts, and that's pretty much it. I might end up wrapping the car. But yeah, just wanted to show you guys that. If you have any questions or anything like that, let me know in the comments. Make sure you guys like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.